Okay, not very good at doing these videos, but I'm working on it. Zachary has told me I am terrible, and he is right. I'm working on a video where I have changed the exhaust on my 2008 Roush 427R Trak Pak. The first video is using GoPro camera out the back with the sound open on the back of the case. And the exhaust is stock, has the stock headers, stock cats, and the stock Roush off-road pipes that come in the trunk on the Trak Pak. The second video will show what happens when you put a Bassani high-flow cat system on it that comes through an Xpipe. I hope you enjoy, and I really like the sound of the Bassani. Sound test, take one.